Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by verifying prerequisites, firmware that supports intrusion detection and admin access. Once done, connect the camera to the same LAN as your NVR and give it a static IP or DHCP reservation so addresses don't shift. Make sure you can access the camera or NVR web client. You'll need the admin user to enable detection options. Now open the device interface and navigate directly to the intelligent or event settings to begin configuration without delay. Next, you configure the detection rule itself. On the live view, draw precise intrusion zones where you want alerts. Once done, refine sensitivity and the minimum duration to reduce false alarms. Make sure to filter by object size and ignore small movements like leaves. You then assign the rule to the correct camera channel, set an activation schedule for when monitoring is required, and choose actions such as alarm output, recording, snapshot, and push notification so the system responds correctly. To finish, you validate the setup by performing live tests across scheduled times and reviewing recorded clips to confirm triggers. Once validated, enable notifications, email or mobile push, so you get immediate alerts. Enable SNMP if integrating with monitoring systems. If you encounter false alarms, reduce sensitivity, shorten the region, or increase minimum duration. Conversely, raise sensitivity if you miss events. One key troubleshooting tip: check firmware and network latency.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.